beauties, my name is Dlamini and welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, you're so very welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. Happy weekend vlog. It's a weekend reset. I'm gonna be focusing on cleaning my curtains, and I actually want to go to China Mall to get them converted and also get lace, because tomorrow hopefully we'll be putting up the curtain rods and we get to see our curtains up. I will have to buy another curtain, like actual curtain, not the lace, but for now we'll have the lace. But I'm so excited. I think it looks so cute. I blow dried my hair. I think I will be avoiding flat ironing my hair for the rest of its lifetime. So I just blow dried it, and yeah, I think it looks really nice, and I did a good job with laying it, I think. Yeah, let's enjoy the weekend. I'm just doing my normal Saturday cleanup. I haven't eaten, so I have to eat, but let me just show you guys the curtains. They're in different spaces. Some of them are in the garage and some are here in the kitchen. Yeah, I'm so afraid this box hasn't been touched since we moved, and I hope that there aren't any creepy crawlies. Ooh. Okay, let me move it to a better spot and then we can show you guys what the curtains look like. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I used to have curtains in the lounge, and I'm gonna use, when I was in Midrand, so I'm gonna use the lounge curtains in the bedroom, because I'm believing that should be enough, and then get new lace for this curtain. So this one will go into the bedroom. Ooh, filthy, sweetie. Filthy. I think it should be enough, because I don't intend on opening the lace. So I think it should be enough. And then, oh, they're already, look at God. Isn't he so wonderful? Oh, I'd only just have to convert the lace, which I don't. God is so good. God is so good all the time. So, wow. So the reason why I'm saying that is because I thought these were also hooks, but they're actually these eyelets, which is super amazing. I don't know when I come out. This is super amazing. So these are gonna go in the bedroom. Hopefully they're not too long. I might just have to take them back. Then what lace is in? Oh, okay, let me figure out the other lace. I've got other lace as well, but I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Okay, the only problem I had with these, I think I felt they were see-through. I was convinced that people can see through the curtain. But yeah, okay. So let me wash these so that I can have time to go to China Mall and order the lace for this curtain. These are the rings I'm talking about, that I'm not gonna have to convert one of the curtains, because I've got the rings from my previous curtain. And shout out to Mom for making me take these. She was like, you better take these. Yay.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So I'm heading out now to China Mall to get the lace curtain. I've hung the other curtains. I think they'll dry off very quickly, but we only need them for tomorrow, so that should be fine as well. So yeah, who said you need men to measure stuff and stuff? But I hope it's the right measurement. I just added an extra 5, is it centimeters? I don't know, so that at least it touches the floor. And then if it's too long, then we can trim it. But let us go get our curtains. Parking can be quite a nightmare here. Evo. But I didn't wait that long. Shame bunch. Let me go in so I can also pass on the favor of getting people parking. Let's go.
I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy.
How guys, I didn't tell you that I didn't come back with the curtains because they needed to work on it, and I arrived about 1, so that means they weren't going to have enough time to finish them, so we're going to finish them tomorrow. So hopefully we can do the rail process and then fetch them after. We should. They said 3 o'clock, which is late. Got back. It's out. It's gonna come back. So mom is saying these ones should also be curtains as well, but biggie by biggie. So I'm so excited. I really am so excited. I love the look of a curtain. So I didn't tell you guys when I came back. I've already eaten. So let's catch up tomorrow. Before we call it, I also got a bonnet at China Mall. It's $35. I hope I'm going to be able to wrap this hair because I also don't want it to be curled up and have to use a lot of heat in the morning. It's not small. It's not thick. 35 rands, but what do you expect? It's not thick, but it's silky. Guess it'll have to work. It's the one with the tie. It'll have to work for now. That's okay. That is okay. So I'm hoping that I'm gonna be able to wrap it. I'll watch some TikToks. But yeah, let's now catch up tomorrow. Mwah. Morning beauties. Happy Sunday. I wrapped my hair in my new bonnet. I googled a how to keep your wig straight tutorial. Let me go grab a brush. So I followed the stocking one. So I cut a pair that I had. I need to remember to replace it. And then you just wear it on your head and then slot in the hair on both sides and then wrap it up like this. Or I wrapped it around like that. So let's see. And I'm looking at the mirror, guys, sorry if it looks like I'm not focusing. And my nails are so brittle. Everything is painful. Everything I touch is painful. Look at her. Not a lot of... Oh, okay. I think I'll just have to blow dry a little bit because it's the curve from just wrapping it around my head. But I am happy. I'm so happy. Shout out to TikTok. Oh, shout out TikTok. So I hope my lace is also intact, but I just sprayed a little bit of it. And I'm just hoping I can keep this install in for at least 3 days, at least until tomorrow. Let's try and see if we can push it till tomorrow. Let me let my mask sit. I'm not gonna take the band out as yet. I just came out of the shower, so I need my body to cool down as per K-Yam's recommendation. Okay, so I'm gonna wait a little bit and then we shall start the day. So I was scrolling through Shein and I saw this girl with this top and she like paired it with shorts and bag, and I'm just like, I've got a blue bag, I got denim shorts, I got the shirt. So you can see the outfit we're going for today. Oh, pull these shorts down, but yeah, that's the look, very casual. I don't even know why I'm dressed up. I was just really excited to put the outfit together because I was like, I have everything, I have the ingredients to make the Powerpuff Girls. Okay, so I put this together. We're just gonna go fetch the curtains and put the rails up today, so I'm excited and I thought I should look pretty for it. So So luckily we got told that we can use our maintenance people's ladders. So we're gonna choose one from the menu. See you guys. Oh, we didn't want the tall man. Okay. I'm a pro at this. You need a dustpan. It's not. Hold it now. Down.
Tell me where you want it to start there.
I can't see if it's not. I just don't want the determining factor is maybe going on over the
Light.
light.
Come closer on this side. The light was.
Let's go a little bit. Pull. Yeah.
So this, yeah.
Mm.
Okay. So this is where you want it.
With the eyelid sensitivity, it will end here.
I want it to end at 15 centimeters.
13. Maybe 10. If you cut in, it will end here.
So you want this here.
Yeah.
So.
Picking it up.
No, the cut is perfect. Just
Bring down the wood.
No, my heart can't take no more. I can keep on running back to you, 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 running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you treat me so bad.
So I really love it. We kept the blinds because I don't have the front curtains as yet, but it looks so beautiful. I'm so excited, but I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.